When it comes to managing diabetes effectively, a big part of that is tackling insulin resistance head on. You see, this condition, where your cells don't respond as well as they should to insulin, can certainly be a significant challenge. But here's some wonderful news. Mother Nature offers some truly powerful allies. So today, we're going to explore specific vegetables that can play a crucial role in improving insulin sensitivity and really supporting you on your health journey. Top 8 vegetables that help reverse insulin resistance in diabetics. Number 1, leafy greens, spinach, kale, cabbage. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and cabbage are real nutritional powerhouses, especially if you're managing diabetes. They're exceptionally low in calories and carbohydrates, which makes them just ideal for blood sugar control. And what's really important is that they are packed with dietary fiber. Now, this fiber isn't just for good digestive health. It actually plays a crucial role in slowing down glucose absorption. This really helps prevent those sharp spikes in blood sugar levels right after meals. This steadying effect is so valuable for maintaining stable glycemic control, and it lessens the overall burden on your body's insulin response, which is a fantastic step towards better insulin sensitivity. And it's not just about fiber. These vibrant greens are also rich in antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, and various flavonoids. These compounds are amazing because they combat oxidative stress. That's a condition often made worse by diabetes and is linked to the development of insulin resistance. So, by neutralizing harmful free radicals, these antioxidants protect your cells. We're talking about the cells in your pancreas that produce insulin and the body cells that respond to it. Reducing this oxidative stress can lead to improved cellular function and enhanced insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to use glucose effectively. This protective action is truly a key benefit of welcoming more greens into your daily diet. Now, getting more leafy greens into your diet can be both easy and delicious. You could start your day by adding a handful of spinach or kale to your smoothies or omelets for a fantastic nutrient boost. Then, for lunch and dinner, why not use them as a base for substantial salads? You can also wilt them into soups and stews, or lightly sauté them with a bit of garlic and a touch of olive oil as a wonderful side dish. Cabbage is versatile too. It can be shredded into slaws, fermented into sauerkraut for those probiotic benefits, or even used as wraps instead of tortillas. The key is to experiment with different types and preparation methods. This will keep things interesting and make sure you're reaping all their amazing benefits. Number 2, cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower. Next up, we have cruciferous vegetables, a family that includes broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower. These are really celebrated for their unique health-promoting compounds. Chief among these is something called sulforaphane, a phytonutrient that has gained a lot of attention for its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Interestingly, sulforaphane is formed when these vegetables are chopped or chewed. It then works at a cellular level to activate detoxification pathways and protect against cellular damage. And there are other bioactive compounds too, like glucosinolates and indole-3-carbinol, which also contribute to their remarkable health benefits, particularly when we think about metabolic health and preventing chronic diseases. This makes them strong contenders in a diet aimed at managing diabetes. Several studies have really highlighted the potential of these cruciferous vegetables, and specifically sulforaphane, in improving blood sugar control and insulin resistance. Research suggests that sulforaphane can help lower fasting blood glucose levels and improve HbA1c, which is a marker of long-term blood sugar management. It seems to do this by reducing glucose production in the liver and by enhancing insulin sensitivity in our tissues. While, of course, more human trials are always beneficial, the existing evidence is quite compelling. It really indicates that regularly consuming these vegetables could be a valuable dietary strategy for individuals with type 2 diabetes or even those at risk of developing it. And enjoying cruciferous vegetables doesn't have to be complicated at all. Broccoli florets are great whether they're steamed, roasted with a sprinkle of herbs, or even added raw to salads for a nice crunchy texture. Brussels sprouts, which sometimes get an unfair reputation, can absolutely transform when they're roasted until caramelized, perhaps with a little balsamic glaze. And cauliflower is incredibly versatile. It can be riced as a low-carb alternative to grains, mashed like potatoes, or even roasted in thick steaks. Now, a little tip to maximize that sulforaphane availability. It's often recommended to chop these vegetables and let them sit for a few minutes before you cook them, or to enjoy some of them raw or just lightly steamed. Number 3, tomatoes. Moving on to number 3, we have tomatoes. Tomatoes are a fantastic choice for anyone managing diabetes, as they're just brimming with beneficial nutrients. Their standout component is lycopene, which is a potent antioxidant. It not only gives them their rich red color, but also fights those cell-damaging free radicals. Tomatoes also provide other helpful polyphenols, along with vital nutrients like vitamin C and potassium. When you put them all together, these compounds contribute significantly to metabolic health, making tomatoes a truly valuable and tasty part of a diet that's focused on improving insulin function and overall wellness. We know that inflammation plays a key role in insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Thankfully, the antioxidants in tomatoes, especially that lycopene we mentioned, have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. So by helping to reduce this inflammation, tomatoes can support better glucose processing and improve how your body responds to insulin. Some studies also suggest that compounds in tomatoes might even boost adiponectin, which is a hormone important for regulating blood sugar and fat metabolism. All these benefits really highlight tomatoes as a supportive food in your diabetes management plan. It's also quite interesting to note how cooking affects tomatoes. The lycopene in tomatoes actually becomes easier for your body to absorb when they're cooked, especially if you cook them with a little healthy fat like olive oil. This means things like tomato sauce or paste can be great sources. However, don't discount fresh tomatoes. They're also excellent, providing plenty of fiber and vitamin C. So the best approach is really to enjoy both. You can add fresh tomatoes to your salads and use cooked tomatoes in your stews and sauces. Just be sure to choose processed options that are low in added sugar and salt. Number 4, bell peppers. At number 4, let's talk about bell peppers. In all their vibrant colors, bell peppers are a fantastic asset for diabetes management. They are absolutely loaded with vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant, vital for your immune health and for protecting your body's cells. In fact, just one serving can provide more than your daily vitamin C needs. Bell peppers also contain other important antioxidants like carotenoids, including beta-carotene, which further help in safeguarding your health and managing blood sugar levels by reducing cellular stress. Now, oxidative stress can worsen insulin resistance and even lead to diabetes complications. But the good news is that the antioxidants in bell peppers, especially that vitamin C and the carotenoids, help fight this stress by neutralizing harmful free radicals. This protective action supports healthier cells and can improve how your body uses insulin. So, regularly eating bell peppers is a delicious way to help reduce oxidative stress and support your overall metabolic health, contributing positively to your diabetes care journey. It's also good to know that the different colors of bell peppers signal different nutrients. Green ones, for instance, are picked early, while red peppers are fully ripe and often have the most vitamin C and antioxidants like capsanthin. Yellow and orange peppers offer their own unique mix. So, eating a variety of these colors means you're getting a wider range of beneficial compounds. This diversity not only makes your meals more appealing, but also boosts their power to support good blood sugar control and overall well-being. Number 5, carrots. Coming in at number 5 are carrots. Carrots are, of course, famous for their beta-carotene, an antioxidant that your body cleverly turns into vitamin A. This is vital for vision and immune health. For those with diabetes, beta-carotene's antioxidant power is particularly helpful because it fights oxidative stress, which, as we've learned, is a factor in insulin resistance. While it's true that carrots have natural sugars, their fiber content usually helps manage their impact on blood sugar, making them a good choice in a diabetes-conscious diet, especially when eaten in sensible amounts. Now, some people might worry about carrots' glycemic index, or GI. It's true that cooked carrots have a higher GI than raw ones, but it's also important to look at their glycemic load, or GL, which is actually low because they aren't high in carbs. What this means is that carrots, when eaten in moderate servings, usually don't cause big blood sugar jumps for most individuals with diabetes. As with all foods that contain carbohydrates, portion size is really key to keeping your blood sugar stable and your meal plan on track. And guess what? Both raw and cooked carrots are good for you. Raw carrots offer more fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel full, perfect for snacks or salads. On the other hand, cooking carrots can make that beneficial beta-carotene easier for your body to absorb. Gentle methods like lightly steaming or roasting are generally better than long boiling, as this helps to keep the nutrients intact and can even enhance their natural sweetness. So, enjoying carrots both ways offers a really good balance of their healthful properties. Number 6, asparagus. Our 6th vegetable is asparagus. Asparagus is a superb non-starchy vegetable, making it ideal for diabetes management because it's packed with nutrients but low in calories and carbs. It's rich in fiber, which, importantly, slows down how quickly glucose is absorbed from your food. This slower absorption is great because it helps prevent those sharp blood sugar increases after eating, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. And that's a primary aim in effective diabetes care and in improving insulin sensitivity. Asparagus also contains valuable antioxidants like glutathione and flavonoids. Early research even hints that asparagus extract might positively influence insulin production and the function of pancreatic beta cells. Those are the cells that make insulin. Though more human studies are definitely needed for firm conclusions, current findings do suggest that asparagus supports metabolic health. Plus, its anti-inflammatory qualities also help foster an environment that can improve the body's response to insulin, making it a truly beneficial food choice. To get the most out of your asparagus, it's best to cook it gently. You see, overcooking can destroy its subtle taste and can reduce important vitamins like folate and vitamin C. Steaming, stir-frying, grilling, or roasting until it's tender crisp are all ideal methods. Try seasoning it lightly with a bit of olive oil, garlic, or lemon. This way, you preserve its nutrients, making asparagus a tasty and healthy addition to your meals, helping you manage diabetes through your diet while still enjoying flavorful food. Number 7, green beans. Next, at number 7, we have green beans. Green beans are a top vegetable pick when it comes to diabetes management and enhancing insulin sensitivity. As a non-starchy vegetable, they're wonderfully low in carbs and calories, yet they're still nutrient-rich. Their minimal starch content means they barely affect blood sugar, which helps maintain stable glucose levels after your meals. This makes them a reliable and healthy component for any diabetes-friendly eating strategy, really supporting your journey to better health. Green beans also offer a good mix of vitamins and minerals that are important for health and glucose regulation. They provide antioxidant vitamin C, bone-healthy vitamin K, and folate, plus minerals like manganese and, of course, fiber. While they might not be singularly dominant in one particular nutrient, their overall micronutrient contribution really helps prevent deficiencies and supports your body's metabolic functions. This, in turn, aids in your efforts to control blood sugar effectively. The great thing about green beans is that they're adaptable and easy to cook in healthy ways. Steaming is a fantastic method as it preserves their nutrients and that lovely crispness. Stir-frying them with other veggies and some lean protein, or roasting them with a little olive oil and herbs also works really well. You can even blanch them briefly for salads to enhance their color and tenderness. The main thing to remember is to avoid overcooking, as that lessens their benefits. So, enjoy these low-carb vegetables regularly for a tasty contribution to your diabetes management. Number 8, mushrooms, garlic, and onion. And finally, at number 8, we have what some call white vegetables, mushrooms, garlic, and onions. These are absolute nutritional powerhouses for diabetes care. Mushrooms, for example, offer selenium, B vitamins, and a unique antioxidant called ergothioneine, which is known for cell protection. Garlic contains allicin, while onions provide quercetin and sulfur compounds. These distinct components are what give them their characteristic flavors and their significant health benefits, including supporting healthy inflammation levels and bolstering the body's antioxidant systems. Research is increasingly showing that mushrooms, garlic, and onions positively affect blood sugar and insulin action. Studies on garlic, for instance, indicate it can help lower fasting blood glucose and even improve cholesterol levels. Compounds found in onions have been linked to better glucose tolerance, and certain types of mushrooms are being studied for their potential to improve gut health and insulin resistance. These results strongly suggest that they are valuable additions for both diabetes prevention and management, offering natural support for your metabolic health. Adding these flavorful vegetables to your meals is incredibly easy. You can sauté mushrooms for a simple side dish or add them to omelets. Garlic and onions, as you probably know, are great bases for soups, stews, and sauces. Using them generously not only boosts flavor, which can reduce the need for extra salt or unhealthy fats, but it also enhances the health value of your meals. This really aids your efforts to improve insulin sensitivity and manage diabetes effectively. Other lifestyle factors that support insulin sensitivity. Now, it's really important to remember that these vegetables truly shine brightest when they're part of an overall balanced diet. So prioritize whole, unprocessed foods and try to maintain consistent meal timing. This kind of holistic approach is absolutely fundamental for stable blood sugar and optimal insulin function, and it works hand in hand with these wonderful vegetable heroes. And let's not forget other crucial lifestyle pillars. Regular exercise, for instance, can significantly boost insulin responsiveness. Getting quality sleep is also key, as it helps regulate crucial blood sugar hormones. Furthermore, effective stress management plays a significant role in maintaining healthy insulin sensitivity and your overall well-being. Equally important is limiting items that can hinder your progress. This means reducing your intake of highly processed foods, sugary drinks, and those refined starches. These types of foods can cause blood sugar to spike and can actually worsen insulin resistance, which would counteract the wonderful benefits of your healthy choices. So, to wrap things up, incorporating these 8 nutrient-dense vegetables into your daily meals can truly be a game changer for improving insulin sensitivity and managing diabetes. Their fiber, antioxidants, and unique compounds all work synergistically to support your body's natural ability to regulate blood sugar. This really paves the way for better health and vitality. Remember, your plate truly holds a lot of power. Did you find this information helpful? If so, please feel free to share this with others who might benefit. We'd also love to hear your experiences or any questions you might have in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition tips to help you thrive with diabetes. Your journey really matters to us,